Hey everybody, welcome to our first Q&A. My name is Alex and I am the office manager here at Letter 4. Every month we will be sitting down with our owners Lauren and Jeremy to give you guys insights into our business as well as diving into other industry related topics. Lauren, Jeremy, thank you for joining me. So we thought that we would start off by answering some frequently asked questions we get from potential clients. As you can see, Lauren and Jeremy and myself are all in different places. Like most other businesses, we are working remotely. So I have Lauren and Jeremy calling in from their homes, and I'm here in our office in Culver City. So let's go ahead and get started. Lauren, what is DesignBuild?
So DesignBuild is one entity that provides both architectural design and construction services. So at Letter 4, we're a little bit different than some other firms. Jeremy and I are actually 50-50 partners in Letter 4, and that means that we work on our projects together from start to finish. Some other firms you'll find are a contractor who brings in an architect or designer, or vice versa. But we think it's really important for us to each know the insights, the ins and outs of each of our projects from start to finish.
Absolutely. And Jeremy, why is it beneficial for someone to hire on a design build firm like Letter 4 rather than hiring an architect and a contractor separately?
Efficiency. The fact that the construction side of the business can be involved in the design at its early stages all the way through completion and permitting. And then having the architectural team, at an arm's length during construction to answer questions, really streamlines the process. It cuts down on the amount of hours needed on the project internally. It cuts down on schedule delays and cost delays on the construction site, and that streamlined process is super beneficial for our clients.
Absolutely. And Lauren, let's say I, have a friend who's a contractor, and so I just want Letter 4 to do the architectural design for me. Is that an option?
Yeah, that's definitely an option. We can provide architecture-only services or construction-only services. Though easily 90+% of our projects are design build, we do offer a lot of other services to clients. You don't have to sign on for that full scope. We can also help you compare apples to apples when it does come time to bid on the construction end. So if you'd like to compare your friend's bid to ours or someone else's, we can help with that.
Nice. All right, so let's say I just bought a house. It's only 1,000 square feet, and it's a little too small for my family, so we'd like to add a second story and potentially convert the garage into an accessory dwelling unit. Jeremy, how much would that cost?
Great question. We get it a lot. Because you're talking about a remodel and adding a second story, it's a bit difficult to give you a early budget based on just a square footage number. But we do break down existing square footages remain, existing square footages that will be affected, new square footage, site conditions, and then we can calculate all those areas and come up with a preliminary budget for you. We just need a little bit more information on the project. It is easier for us to give a preliminary budget new construction. Right now, new construction is ranging somewhere around $300, $325 a square foot on our projects.
Okay, good to know. So Letter 4 has been around for 10 years. We'll be going on our 11th anniversary this year. How did you and Jeremy meet, Lauren?
I had just gone out on my own after leaving Gensler to start my own business, and I had gotten to be friends with someone I sat next to who was also a friend of Jeremy's. So Jeremy was in need of a licensed architect on a commercial project he was working on, and our mutual friend introduced us. We worked on a few commercial projects before we decided to open Letter 4. We thought opening a design build firm was something that the industry really needed and was a great direction for us. So, yeah.
Okay. Now, Letter 4, that's a pretty unique name. Jeremy, how did you guys come up with that?
It took a really long time. We searched for names for a while, and everything we were looking for and wanted to use was taken, and we really didn't want to go the traditional route of using our last names and the company name. So we figured out what we were doing and the direction we're going to go with the firm is going to be a design and development firm for our clients and for ourselves. So design and development are both the start with letter D and are the fourth letter of the alphabet.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, I hope that gives you all a better insight into what DesignBuild is, as well as an idea of what it might be like to work with Letter4. If you're interested in starting a project with us, please feel free to go to our website, letter4.com, and go ahead and fill out the form on our Contact Us page. Also, if you're not following us on Instagram, please do at Letter4Inc. And we're looking forward to giving these to you guys every month. Lauren, Jeremy, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Thank you, Alice.
Yeah.